Hello guys, welcome to another video of CodeCon, and today I am here with another exciting SQL intermediate level problem. So here we are given a transaction table, and it shows transaction occurring every month, like month 1, month 2, month 1, month 2, like this way. And the question is like we need to find the number of customers that are retained every month. So what do you mean by the number of customers that are being retained every month? So suppose in month 1, customer 1 came and he made a purchase of rupees 160. That same customer returned in month 2 and made a purchase of 190 rupees. So we retain the customer in month 2. Okay. So if I take like if I had to show you like in month 2 and month 1. So as we have no data of month 0, so it will be so every customer which is coming in month 1 will be a new customer. So the number of customers written in month 1 will be 0 for obvious reasons, and the number of customer written in month 1, if I go with the customer ID, uh, like as I showed you, uh, in month 1, customer ID 1 made a purchase of 160 rupees. In the month 2, the same customer came back and made a purchase of 190 rupees. So we retained the customer for the month 2. So customer ID 1 was retained. Next, if you see, customer 2, he came first in the month 1 and made a purchase of 100 rupees. That same customer returned in the next month and made a purchase of 100 rupees again. So we also retain customer 2. Okay. In the same way, customer 3, he first came in the month 1 and he made a purchase of 150 rupees. Customer 3 returned in month 2 and made a purchase of 150 rupees. So you also retained customer 3. Okay. So total three customers are retained till now. In month 1, customer 4 is the first one to come. So he appeared for the first time in month 1, but he never repeated in month 2, so we lost that one. This will come under crunch, sorry, churn. This will come under the churn. Okay, churn rate, that is, we lost, how many customers are lost. So in month 2 we lost customer ID 4, and in month 2, customer 5, customer ID with 5 came for the first time, so we will not consider him. So as you can see, in month 1, everyone was a new customer, so we did not consider any of them. But in month 2 we considered 3, customer ID 1, 2 and 3. So hence in month 2 3 customers were written. So I guess the problem is clear to you. Now I will show you the solution. So for the solution, at first we need to calculate the previous like purchase of every customer made. Okay, then only we can compare and see whether the customer has made a purchase previously and also repeated or not. Okay, so for that we need to use the lag function. So the code will go like this. It will be like lag on order date partition. Okay, over class will come over partition partition by the cust id cst underscore id order by order date. Okay, so if I run this query and I will name this as previous purchase order date. Okay, so if I run this query, what I get to see is that for customer 1, the previous order date is null because he appeared for the first time in month 1, but in month 2, the previous order date is present. So we will consider those customers where the previous order date is present. So if we see here, customer 2 had previous order date present, customer 3 is customer 2 is having the previous order date present, customer 3 is having the previous order date present. So this will be all counted in month 2. Okay, so for that we need to store it in the CTE as this one. Now select uh, from CTE. So we need to show the month, right? So we will use the month function, order date, order so date, and the sum case when the previous order date previous when the previous order date is not null, right? When the previous order date is not null, then that particular customer is successfully returned, right? So suppose the customer 1 is successfully returned, right? The customer 2 is successfully returned, right? Because he made the he made the first purchase in month 1 and the next purchase in month 2. Customer like 3 customer id 3 is successfully returned. So in that case we will count 1, else we will count as 0, and we will end it as number of returned customer, number of returned customers, and we will group by this thing with the help of the month, right? With the help of the month, for each month we are calculating, right? Month. Okay, now if I run this whole query, this is syntax error, some, okay, then one is 0. Okay, so see, for the month 1 each and every customer was a new customer, so we had no retention. But for the month 3, as I showed you, 3 customers were returned. Customer id 1, customer id 2, and customer id 3 were returned, so the total count came as 3. Okay, so I hope this solution is clear to you guys. If you have any other way of solving the problem, kindly comment it and I will see it. Thank you.